It's a beautiful day here in Nairobi, Kenya, and I am so glad that you joined in to watch from wherever you are in the world. I hope that you're wonderful. Just sit back, relax, and come along with me as we go through the city in Nairobi to learn a little bit of their culture and, everything that you need to know. So before we go into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let's go right into the video.
Harambee is actually an Indian slogan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when the Indians were building the railway from the coast to the western part of the country, they used to say Harambee.
Okay.
Like, put it together. So our first president thought it's a good thing, but it's actually an Indian word. Harambee, yeah.
Oh.
So it's like pulling together.
Pulling together. I see.
Harambee.
This is a beautiful tall,
Yeah.
and lots of shrubbery. Is this like a park where
This is a
anybody can
great
This is a freedom park.
spot to view the city,
Freedom.
right? So you can see the whole city from this side.
So freedom park.
Yeah. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it.
This one we have a
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
This one usually swear in successive.
Okay.
Very important.
Here?
Yeah, so that's the guys.
Okay.
You can sit here, we can
And they actually have a park where they come to relax. Ghana, we don't have this in Ghana. Wow, it's a beautiful place. The city, and it's so amazing. The high-rise building, and this is the Ministry of Health. On my left, Ministry of Health. It's your house. Yeah, it's so beautiful. So beautiful.
to reduce traffic.
Yes. So this is a new road they've constructed, and they are constructing a 24-kilometer road from the airport to the district capital, so to reduce the traffic congestion. The Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court.
Okay, that's the Supreme Court.
This one they nullified the presidential elections in 2017.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They nullified the presidential election. Yeah, the highest court. So the Roundhouse is the International Convention Center. It was built in 1973.
You can see it from here.
So on the right you have the governor's office.
The governor's
This is the
office.
governor's office.
Governor's office right here.
And this is the International Convention Center.
Okay, International Convention Center.
That's a Catholic church.
Catholic Church. Catholic Church.
It was built in 1947.
Wow. 1947.
But now, like many churches, they have now this years of parking cars.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So the next house is the Senate. We have two houses. We have the Senate and the Parliament. The upper house and the lower house.
Okay.
And where you see the Kenyan flags, that's where the first president is buried.
Okay.
Now we have the son who is in power.
Yeah. Kenyatta.
This is Jomo Kenyatta. Yeah, he was the first president. Now the son is the president. He's retiring in 1 year's time.
The airport was also named after the first president.
Is he inherited?
No, Democratic.
He had to stand.
Yeah, he was voted. He was voted in 2013.
These are pockets, eh?
So now he has to go home now in 2022. Because you can only have 2 5-year terms in Kenya. Two terms. 5 years.
So that's 10 years if you get.
Yeah, you can't buy again. After 10 years, you're allowed to go home.
Yeah, he's doing well with all the development.
Most of our governments are terrible. But he's doing okay.
He's raised the standard, so whoever is coming after him must do a good. I had my name.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. Let the boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you all the other time.
I'm actually asking my colleague, but I think university students, they are taking the loan from the government. If you pass well from high school, you can get a loan from the government. It's called higher education loan school. So you can get it through the bank. Once you get a job, they start deducting. It's automatic. They have the PIN number.
Your system works,
Personal identification
so
number.
you can trace it.
Yes. That's what they do. So once you start getting the money.
What building is this?
This is a temple.
Oh, okay. The temple. The Carrion Hotel.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Now this is the other side of the city. Where you have hawkers.
Right.
Hawkers, those people who hawk small stuff. Business and we have in Kenya we call Matatus. We call them Matatus, the buses. You call them trotro.
Yes, Chocho in Ghana.
Crazy guys, they drive like hell here.
They drive like crazy.
And here they can actually keep your phone safe.
Wow.
They can keep your phone safe.
On baby, yeah.
You want to keep your phone and some money.
The buses are called
Matatu.
Massage.
Matatu. Matatu. Tatu means 3. Tatu. So when they started off in the late 70s, they were charging 30 cents.
Okay.
So it's tatu. Singular. Matatu.
That's a Matatus.
Yeah, but Matatus here in Kenya are crazy. They have TVs and loud music. And
It's a different kind of vibe in the church.
Like this one's now.
Yes.
Like every seat has a video.
Matatu.
Every seat.
Wow.
So it's like, you know, they spend a lot of money
To spec it.
yeah, to spruce it up.
Design designing it as a bag.
So colorful.
Yeah, they have those.
Oh, what do you actually go and find?
Sorry?
Come and sit here. Let's go and dance. Let's go and dance.
Like every tribe in Kenya, we have 42 different tribes. Every tribe has its own special food. Yeah, where I come from, me and my brother here, we have
Embassy or university?
vaccine, COVID.
Ah,
vaccine. Everyone is now wanted to get vaccinated. So we have like corn and beans. Then we boil them together. Then we put potatoes and some green vegetables. We mash together.
I want to eat that, but I don't
I don't
I do videos from cultural stuff. When I go somewhere, I want something authentic, traditional.
Yeah.
Is it like a restaurant that can get that?
Maybe when we go to Carnival, I'll ask Catherine who organizes the safari. Maybe they can wait for you. Then you have ugali. Ugali is corn flour. You boil water and put you start like 7 minutes.
That's like akple.
Yeah, that's like that.
Yeah, corn flour
Some
and
people say
then
it's tasteless, but I love it. So
yeah, it's tasteless actually.
it's tasteless, right?
Yeah, and it's very healthy.
Stew, green
Too.
star,
Yeah,
roasted meat,
yeah.
nyama choma.
Nyama choma.
Yeah, nyama choma. Yeah, barbecue.
Barbecue.
Very, very nice. Then you have nyama choma, yes. Barbecue.
Right.
Right. Very nice.
Great.
So actually, Carnival have a lot of nyama choma.
Nyama choma.
Yeah.
We'll taste it when we get there. Wow. Kenya actually has parks where people can go there for recreational activities like play there, sit there, chat.
Happy birthday boy, let's see. Birthday boy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. That's the birthday boy. How old are you?
Hip, hip, hip.
Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Oh, aren't you wonderful? I hope that you learned one or two things from the city tour through Kenya, Nairobi. I look forward to sharing a lot more with you through my stay and through this journey. I bet you it's a whole new experience and you will not want to miss any of them. Don't forget to keep being awesome and stay safe. Love you guys. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more.